The need for these secure command and control centers is absolutely growing. It's really remarkable how many are being built around the world by the US military and intelligence community, as well as all of our partners around the world are really running to catch up with the United States. You know, what's driving the growth here is all of the information we've collected. So there's something called the first offset strategy. That was nuclear weaponry. Second offset strategy was about the United States and its partners getting a lot more information, a lot more surveillance, a lot more intelligence about the enemy than the enemy had about us. That led to UAVs and satellites and GPS systems, all kinds of intelligence gathering and technologies, yeah? Well, we've succeeded. We have a lot of that information. But now we have to turn it into something we call instant situational awareness. All right, and that's what the commanding officers are screaming for in these secure command and control centers. You've probably seen a place like this, maybe on the Bourne Identity or something like that. A room of desks, lots of analysts, a big video wall. An event happens, that commanding officer wants to know what the heck is going on when he had no idea the event was going to happen 5 minutes ago. So those people have to get to every source of all that information we've collected, and they have to figure out what is going on in this event that they didn't know about. So you can imagine, okay, the second offset strategy was about collecting all that information. These secure command and control centers are analyzing it. But now the third offset strategy, announced about a year and a half ago, that offset strategy is about intelligence-centric warfare. It's about autonomous weaponry. It's about remote-controlled weaponry. It's about weaponry where man and machine are collaborating. Okay? Well, think about that. Where are we going to pilot remote weaponry like UAVs? From a secure command and control center. Where is the information going to come from in a man-machine collaboration? From a secure command and control center. Where is it going to come, even if it's an autonomous weapon? We're still going to want to watch, and we're going to do that from a secure command and control center. Well, that's why there's so many. So, you know, if you go into one of these command and control centers without Thinklogical, what you're going to see is some computers, probably 3-4 computers at a desk, underneath the desk, with a KVM desktop switch up on top, and maybe a video switch so that you could get to the video wall. That's the traditional solution. We call that the legacy approach. There are a billion problems with that approach. First off, there might be 10, 12, in some places 30 networks flowing into that command and control center. You have to select which 4 are going to go to that desk. That's a problem. You've hardwired that desk to just 4, okay? In addition, the computers are at your feet. Well, the person sitting in that desk is the insider threat. He is the person, like an Edward Snowden, right, who could steal that data. That's a huge concern. We've spent billions of dollars collecting this information so we could have a strategic advantage. Somebody steals it, and all of our work is gone in an instant. That is not an appropriate way to build these centers any longer. Thinklogical has a different approach. We remove the computers from the room, we get them into a back data room where they're much more secure, they're away from the insider threat. Our technology will enable every one of those desks to attach to every one of the networks, or we could restrict which networks the desk attached to. We provide complete flexibility, complete productivity. We allow the desks to talk to one another. We allow them to talk to the conference rooms. We allow the conference rooms to talk to the video conference rooms. We allow the video wall to be in play, all through a single secure system that handles multiple classifications of data, top secret, secret, classified, unclassified, all through that single system. We are the only company in the world that can build a system where multiple classifications flow through a single fiber matrix switch, right, that is accredited to do that to EAL4 common criteria.